So welcome to Encinitas, California. Here at a place called Elijo Beach, which is located actually here in Cardiff, which is part of Encinitas. And I'm actually on part of the campground site, so I got a lot of walking to do, so I put my sun hat on, and this is a pretty good view from up here. There's so many places to get down to the beach. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Actually, that kind of goes into Cardiff Beach, and then you run into Elijo, where I'm at right now. So beautiful day in August. So a little bit of down here at the beach. You'll see the erosion along the side. That's, I guess, has always been a problem. Let's see. Take a walk up north. A lot of kelp on the beach here. So beautiful. It's summertime, it's the most popular time, but you know, looking up there from the top side, the waves look a little bit bigger, but really they're not that big. Very mellow. A lot more kelp here than up in Carlsbad, where I was yesterday. See the rocky shoreline. So it's in the middle of the week, so maybe that's the reason why I don't see too many folks out. But you know that there's so much beach in California that, I mean, it's just miles and miles of it. And you can continue on further up, but I think I will go up on the next set of stairs, which is right up this way. Nice hard beach, hard packed to walk. Now from my house up here, again, it's about a little bit less, about 25-minute drive. I get off at Birmingham, make a left, head west, and I am there. See the top. I just love all the access points here. Maybe I'll just keep going further down, because the campsite actually stretches out all the way across. I don't know how much it is per night, but if you want to go camping, it's a nice place to go camping. I saw a lot of open slots. So one thing cool about this, having the campground, you can go up there, set up your trailer or tent, which I can see right above, and then come down here and go surfing. And they have complete shower facilities, everything. We got a line of surfers out there. Now, one thing I do notice about these California beaches, especially this one is definitely more rockier than the one I was at yesterday, which is again Carlsbad. That one seemed to be less kelp, less rocky. Look at those cliffs. Yeah. You can see, like again, you can see the erosion up there. Right on the top. So my other destination is also going to be another beach called Moonlight Beach, which is further north in the same area of Encinitas, up that way. Get a paddle boarder. So beautiful. Oh, it's not bad. I get a little ride in there. So this is another shot from the top. So this is the historic 101. I was just over here at San Elijo, which I'm heading up to Encinitas. And look at that down there. Okay, that's part of the boardwalk. I don't know. Oh, that goes down to the beach. But I was just down there over here. But now it's about a mile down the 101. And look at the homes up there overlooking the ocean. How beautiful is that? Imagine waking up to that view every morning. So very nice pathway to walk. I have not been up here. First time. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at this. Another nice overlook. God, the views are so beautiful. So this is Swami Beach, city of Encinitas. Go check that out before I head into town. Look at this nice little park. Look at these things. How about that, huh? That's the Easter Island Head. It's by Tim Richards. He actually follows me on the Instagram, and I follow him. Here's another shot of Swami's Beach. On the top side. Here's a shot of Swami's Beach. Just came from San Elijo, which is down there about 3/4 of a mile. Making my way into Encinitas, which I'm already at in Encinitas. This is part of it. There's a shot of the north. Now you look at the shoreline. I could have walked the beach, but it looks like a little bit rocky in between San Elijo and Swami. But taking the topside walk was actually pretty good because I got really good views. Looks like they're doing some kelp cleanup down there. So now in downtown Encinitas, and this is actually the I'm here at D Street and the 101. And this is the La Palma Theater. which I just looked it up. It opened up in 1928. So how about that? And it looks like they still use it. And look at this thing. A lot of it's all original, so that's pretty neat. You see the this is what's playing now, I guess. But this is the again the historic 101 that runs up the California coast. So time to take a look at the town of Encinitas, which is Encinitas is a very cool beach town. Oh, look at this, they have these little sidewalk designs on. So I'm actually walking up the 101 heading south. I came from San Elijo Beach, which is about a mile and a half up the road, so I have a long walk back. But this was my destination, is actually to come down here to the Encinitas sign. You see the outdoor dining, Encinitas Cafe. A lot of good dining out now. A lot like Carlsbad that I was in yesterday. Go hit the other side of the street, but there is one more beach that I'm gonna see, which is the Moonlight Beach. There I am in. See my full sun hat today. Actually, let's see, this is E Street. Again, there's mainly a lot of little coffee shops and plenty of little restaurants. Nice, so much, tons of outside dining. Imagine it lights up at the evening time. So a lot of beach action. See what the town looks like. Look at the inside, outside dining. Got a nice breeze. So I made my way across the street here on the 101, heading back to F Street area. This is like the main area again of Encinitas. Look at these cool open air bars. Again, they're really cool. This is called the First Street Bar. Not that I'm trying to advertise them, I'm just happen to pass them. But, got that pub look to it. Kind of neat. Dog friendly patio. So bring your dog. See the all the folks out. It is lunchtime. Kind of reminds me of the gas lamp in a way downtown San Diego. The way the dining is set up. Look at this, it's kind of like an ice cream place again. That looks like a tuk-tuk. Oh, this is I like this painting right here. Wow. This is like a diner, pizza place. the pizza. That's what it looks like. How's that? Look at that. Ooh-wee. But I gotta continue walking first. And this is what the dining looks like in this place. Kind of like inside, outside. And I just saw that really cool sign on the outside. This is by the Better Buzz. It looks like it's really rocking. Coastal sign. Encinitas 101. That is historic. If you've never been on the 101 before. One of the first highways in California. This is called the 101 Diner. Here it is. Here's the name. Okay, finally arrived at Moonlight Beach, city of Encinitas. It's been a long walk coming all the way from San Elijo. See it in the distance. This is my final stop on my little Encinitas adventure. So let's go check. So welcome to Moonlight Beach. Definitely busier than the previous two that I was at. Very beautiful though. Big crowd out today. There's the lifeguard station. Another overview of this beach. Oh, they even have a nice little mat to walk on. That is a shot of the north. There's some good looking houses over there. So this is on C. Coming from the 101, I've actually walked all the way from San Elijo, which is, I got a good 2-mile walk or so back to my car. So it's going to be a nice hot walk back. So I get a little bit of beach action. Walk down this mat they have here. Been a good day today.
Mama, I need to dust some stuff off.
Good view of the beach. So this is the end of this video of my adventure here in Encinitas. It's been really cool. Wound up here at Moonlight Beach. Now I make my way back to San Elijo, which is about 2 miles down that way. But it's been a real fun day. And this is the action at this beach today. Very cool. So hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful Encinitas, California. Later.